At Naropa, one's personal experience is included when I'm teaching Judaism or another tradition, for that matter. I personally come at it from my experience. I'm sharing how this lineage, this teaching, is expressing itself, not only through the texts we're studying and the various teachers that we're studying, but all of these teachings and texts and traditions are not isolated from our experience. They impact us. I see the process of learning at Naropa to include how the teachings impact our consciousness and our experience. And that's something that is unique to Naropa. We teach how to live amongst the community of other human beings. We teach how to heal, how to express ourselves in art, in literature. We teach our students in religious studies, for example, to more deeply appreciate the other and the traditions and the lineages from which the other comes from. And in our world, how profoundly necessary is that we not only respect but come to know more intimately the other and appreciate not only our own traditions but others as well. What distinguishes us in terms of higher education is that we not only include that, but we expand and we broaden our perspective in terms of how we approach a topic of inquiry. We include not only the other side of the brain, but we include the heart, we include the body, we include the totality of one's consciousness as we study, as we learn. And that allows for a kind of learning that integrates more fully and deeply into one's life, into one's being. The kind of knowledge that we appreciate at Naropa is not only that of the discursive mind. We also appreciate the intuitive heart, the heart of wisdom, the heart of sorrow, the heart of courage, the heart of being a warrior, of meeting one's inner obstacles as well as one's external outer obstacles in life. Even if we study the most recent discoveries of science, we see that we need to include more spaciousness. At the heart of every atom is a lot of space. And Naropa stands for a new paradigm of higher education. Naropa expresses the next stage of evolution of education at large, and higher education in particular. The teacher is present in a certain way, in a certain orientation, a spirit of openness and allowing and presence. It's not just that the teacher becomes a channel for the transmission, but it's actually the whole group mandala, the class itself, the individuals. It's like the whole class becomes a vehicle, of a interconnected vehicle that becomes a vessel for revelation to occur, for teaching to arise within that. It's coming through everyone. I see myself as helping to create a context within which a group process of revelation, knowledge, and wisdom, and teaching and transmission can naturally and spontaneously arise and express itself through the entire group. For me, as a teacher, the heart of learning occurs for the class when I am open to the mystery, and my presence and my openness helps support a context within which the whole class can drop more deeply into the teaching and the learning and the revelation that's not coming from me, it's coming from the mystery itself. So I guess we can put that in our pipes and smoke it.